Hi guys, it's AlphaBlue here and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, on today's Euro USD daily analysis, I'm looking at Euro dollar on the 30-minute time frame. So yesterday I tried to long Euro USD right about here and I was targeting this 4-hour high. But then because it was the downtrend, at least the short term in the lower time frame, the order flow was bearish, so this didn't play out. Price ranged for a while, ranged inside here, and then just took out my SL. So no worries, that's my minus 0.5 minus 0.5%, I mean, on my account. So today right now, I'm looking to continue this bearish order flow to at least this point right here. Or at least target this point right here. It even has the potential to move lower and coming all the way down here to completely fill in this imbalance. But at least for a conservative target, I'm just going to target here. And if this plays out, this trade is a 1 to 6 RR trade. So let me give you the rationale behind this trade, right? So as you can see, we have a very strong bearish order flow. Market has been selling and it has the potential to continue selling all the way down here because we have this very long, imbalance that market or that price will likely want to come and feel it. You feel it in, you get. So having seen that, the next thing now is when we saw this bearish move yesterday night, price came back, corrected it up to 50% or more, and then we have this strong push to the downside again. So I see this as a liquidity sweep already. So I'm just waiting for price. If price will come back into this other block right here, then I'm going to look to short it all the way to down here. So that is just a simple idea. We have a sweep, a change of character to the downside, and then I'm waiting for price to come back to this other block. Now let's go to 1 hour. You see the other block. But I'm not targeting just this other block. I want to take it from here, the bullish move before the bearish push. You get? So that's what I'm targeting. I don't want to take my entry all the way up here and then I don't get triggered. So I want to just put my entry right about here because this is like the block of order of orders before we got the strong break to the downside. Now, another confluence that is making me believe so much in this sell is that we have an equal low right here. I actually just marked out this low, waiting to see price sweep it. But then, as you can see, what is happening right now here is that it just formed an equal low and price is beginning to push back up. So right now, if price comes all the way here, we're likely going to see it continue bearish to take out this equal low and even continue to push further. So right now, I have two gameplay in mind, like two things I'm likely gonna do. The first is I've already got my limit set right here to sell it at this other block here. And then if it doesn't come all the way here, and let's say it continues to push down, let's say it just pushes down and comes down all the way like this. What I'll do is that I'll wait for the price to come back here, take out this liquidity right here. Then I'll sell at this point. I call this thing my New York session continuation pattern. And what usually happens is that when price continues down, you've already gotten the buyers of the day. It's bearish, right? Most of the time, usually, price will come back up. Take the internal liquidity, that intraday liquidity, the internal liquidity of the day. It will just sweep it and then push down to the downside. So if we see price just break this low, this equal lows and continue pushing down, right? I'll wait for it. By New York session, I'm just gonna come and put my entry here. I'll set my limit here. I'll put it 10 pips above, right? 10 pips like this, and then I'll still target this place. So this is what I plan to do if this price doesn't go back all the way to this point. If it does go back all the way to this point, fine. Then I'll leave my entry here and see if we get triggered and it plays out. If it doesn't, then I'm going to wait to see price come back and take out this place. Then we go short again. So this is what I'm planning to do. Now, another thing you have to look at is that this place doesn't look so good to me, even though there's a sweep here, but I'm not so comfortable. I feel like this is still a liquidity that price will likely clear. You get, so I just do this right here. If it sweeps this place again before pushing down, then we may start to look for another entry after this has gotten stopped out. But this is just what I'm looking out to do, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So if this happens, then we'll wait for price to come back to this point, then we'll short it down here. So this is just what I'm looking to do on Euro USD today. This is still 9 a.m. in the morning. So let's see how it goes. Then GBP USD. Let me see what GBP USD is doing. Wow, GBP USD is actually, I don't like the price action on GBP USD. I didn't take this trade yesterday. I just marked it based on probably a trade I would have probably taken, but I wasn't enjoying the price action on GBP USD. Actually, my trade for GBP yesterday was this particular one. I actually had my limit set at this other block right here, but price never came back to it. So this was my play for GBP USD yesterday, but price never came in. They just grabbed this liquidity. Price just grabbed liquidity here and then just sold off. So this was what I was hoping to see yesterday, but it didn't happen. So I didn't have any trade on this yesterday. And as price took off, I wasn't really interested anymore. But now let me show you something interesting on GBP USD. The way this price is behaving now, yeah, if you notice, you see that there's liquidity piling up below here, and definitely it's going to get cleared. This liquidity is going to get ramped. Probably price will come all the way down here, so break this place that looks like a support, come all the way down here and take out this this low, this place that looks like equal low. Yes, yes, yes. So this is something that we can likely see on GBP USD today. So let me see what will happen from here. Well, this looks good though. It looks good. It looks like a break and retest of the trend line. Break and retest of the trend line. And then we got a sweep here. We got this liquidity taking here. Now it has sold. Anyways, let's see how it goes on GBP USD. Let's see how it goes. Then lastly, let me show you what gold is doing. Gold, as someone believes that gold can come all the way back to this high. As someone believes that gold can come back to this high. So let's just see what it does. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. I'm waiting. I may enter gold at this point right here. I may enter gold at this point. My SL below. Let's look at the 4-hour. I may enter gold at this point. But let me just allow the price action to further develop, then I see what to do. All right, guys, so that's it for today's analysis. I hope this was helpful to you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more daily analysis like this. So cheers and see you guys in the next one.